So here we are. This is a great occasion to show my work about Poliedro, because in this space that I had the chance to work in with all the guys of Kunstschau Contemporary Place and Chiara Bevilacqua in particular that curated this installation, we are showing something that is an evolution of my work about Poliedro. Everything started in 2015 with a more simple edition of that, and now everything is basically and literally exploding, because the idea we wanted to provide in this box is actually the idea of something that is actually going on in that precise moment, in that fragment of time. Actually, my work is based on that, the inquiry of the precise moment, the precise fragment of time in which something is going on, in that precise instant. So, of course, the Poliedro is my way to show how life can be, how passion can be, love can be, death can be. Everything is connected, everything is related to that face, those faces, that shape, which is basically representing my own person, my being a human being, my being an artist. But the hope is that everyone will be involved with this installation, or in every other places in the world in which we are going to do that, or in which we did that. Everyone, my hope is that can really be involved, for real, not just being present, but taking something and turn it in something very intimate. So here, even with the help of my assistant Siro Tolomei, I had the chance to show precisely the moment in which something is exploding, but maybe imploding, doesn't matter. What is really important is to conceive the movement that in this case was just frozen but is going on. So I really want to suggest the idea that this one can be yours. In every place we can do this, can be yours. And Sandro Lombardi, one of the greatest actors in Italy, was great in doing that, providing his beautiful voice to describe this scene, to actually tell in which way my idea of art is spreading, my idea of art will conquer new frontier in the next years. So I will, that manifesto, Poliedro, stay now, Resta ora, in order to involve the more people I can and the more places we can. So let's do that all together, okay?